Hey, hello guys, it's How to Text Simplified, and today I'm going to show you a different Canva tutorial. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to actually add shadows to your pictures to make your pictures look way better. Now as you can see, we have a heart here with a shadow behind it. Now let's say we want to edit this heart with a shadow behind it. All we have to do is select the picture, from there to go to edit a picture, edit photo in the top left corner. And from there we scroll down till we find effects. Now here in the effects we have the shadow option. Now in the shadow option we usually go for the drop shadow because it's create a realistic drop, as you can see right here. Now you can make it as intense as you would like. If you create the size, if you increase the size, it will increase the size of the shadow like so. Now the blur amount creates a blurry image behind the photo, like so. Here the angle, you change the angle which the picture is pointing. And here you can create the distance. And here the intensity of the blur. Now that's everything. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below and I will try to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.